Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Basic Data Analysis in SPSS, Lecture number 1, Introduction to SPSS. This is introduction about SPSS. It stands for Statistical Package for Social Sciences. It is also known as Statistical Product and Service Solutions. There are 4 windows in SPSS: Data Editor, Output Viewer, Syntax Editor, Script Window. Here are the 4 windows. This is Data Editor, this is Output Viewer, this is Syntax Editor, and this is Script Window. The basics of managing data files in SPSS. This is how we can open SPSS from computer. This is the default window, and it has 2 sheets, data view and the variable view. This is the data view window, and this is the variable view. This is the variable view window, and this is a variable view window type, width, decimals. We can set all these things, labels, values, etc. This is just practice 1. This is how we define our label descriptive variable like gender. Then how to save the data. This is about sorting the data in ascending or ascending order. This is how we sort out data. Then transforming the data. Here I have shown how to take natural log of height. This is the basic analysis, frequencies, descriptives, linear regression analysis. This is how we can make frequency table and graphs, histograms. This is how to use syntax editor. This is how to make pie diagram, etc. These are descriptives for the scale variables, linear regression analysis. This is the model summary, ANOVA and coefficients when we run regression analysis in SPSS. This is about graphs. And this is how we fit the regression line to the data. This is model summary, R squared, adjusted R squared, standard error of the estimate, ANOVA, F statistic, coefficients, standard error, standardized coefficients, T values and P values are significance values. And this is R squared. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a brief introduction into SPSS, and in the coming lectures I'll do all these one by one with greater detail, and you will have hand-on experience and you can easily learn with me. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do subscribe by pressing the subscription button, and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you can get notification about my other and newly uploaded videos that may be of value to you and your friends. This is my YouTube channel name, Research Made Easy with Himmy. This is the logo, and thanks for watching this video. See you in another video. Good morning.